So on our course, it's mostly focused around making short films. It's a very practical course, very hands-on, so just learning the skills and techniques you need to make short films. We do have a bit of theory-based learning as well, intertwined with that, but it's always ends with you making some sort of project to show that you can incorporate the theory into your practical work.
A first-year student on our course can expect to have kit in their hands right from day one. In that first year, our students are taught the core fundamentals of filmmaking, cinematography, editing, lighting and sound. Our first year has theory underpinning throughout all of our modules, but we're an incredibly practical course as well. So it doesn't matter if you've got previous experience as a filmmaker or you've got no experience as a filmmaker.
The module that I'm running, it is very much a hands-on thing. So by week 3, they are preparing to make a film. They are going into pre-production and going through all the facets that a film requires.
The range of kit that you can get out here for your own personal use and in the subject is just fantastic.
We have our multimedia centre, which is a main work hub, but also a really popular social space for our students to hang out in. It's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's full of top spec Mac computers with all of the editing and software packages our students will need while here. We also have our loans counter, which is full of high-end spec cinema grade equipment, which is free for our students to use, and they can be booked out for 5 working days at a time.
So we've got 2 TV studios, newsroom.
We have a number of audio recording booths for students to do voiceover and podcast work if they wish to, as well as a close link and collaboration with the music and sound production course, where our students can go in and do their own Foley sound effects as well. Once you've completed your first year on the film production course, we encourage students to begin to specialise in an area of the industry that they find most appealing. So we have modules that are more specific to production elements of film production, such as a module entirely devoted to cinematography, one devoted to editing. The aim of that is once they finish their third year doing film production, you're able to go out into the industry specialising in one particular area, but having a good working practical knowledge of a variety of areas, which will hopefully make you much more employable.
I came into Winchester planning to be a director or do cinematography, but after trying all the different roles in film production, I actually found out I really enjoyed editing, and now that's what I would like to go into in the future.
An integral part of the course is trying to get people out into the industry, and I think it's incumbent upon us, the lecturers, with our industry experience, to point them in the direction, and hopefully with the various contacts that I certainly have in the film and TV industry, it's something that I'm happy to do to facilitate getting students out there for work experience as a trainee, as an apprentice, an intern, which are fundamental prerequisites for them if they're going to pursue a career in film.
Our course impacts the world in so many ways. Everybody watches television, everybody sees films and goes to the cinema, and that's everything that we're doing. All you have to do is look at something like Blue Planet by David Attenborough and see the change that has made to people's behaviour.